Hi, today we will learn about formula and structures of saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen, that is alkanes, isomers, example of isomers, and carbon compounds arranged in the form of rings. So students, let us look at the simplest saturated hydrocarbon. Remember, saturated hydrocarbon meaning a single bond. So the first one is methane. And its formula is CH4. So we can draw the structure as C in the middle and then the 4 hydrogen atoms as shown. So how did we come to this structure? As we all know, carbon has 4 valence electrons in its outermost shell, right? You remember? So to complete its octet configuration, it is sharing its electron with the hydrogen atom, which has 1 valence electron in its outermost shell. So with this is how we draw the structure of methane. Is this clear? Let us now look at the next hydrocarbon called ethane. Its molecular formula is C2H6 and its structure is drawn as 2 carbon atoms bonded with 6 hydrogen atom, as you can see here. Alright. So, as we all know, each carbon atom consists of 4 valence electrons. So these are the valence electrons that I am drawing here. Okay. So these 2 valence electron is shared by these 2 carbon atoms, and the remaining electrons, valence electron, are shared with the hydrogen atom, which has 1 valence electron in its outermost shell. To complete its octet configuration. So this is how the structure of ethane is formed. So if you count 2 carbon atoms and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 hydrogen atom. As simple as that. Let us now look at the third hydrocarbon called propane. And its molecular formula is C3H8. So it is drawn as 3 carbon atoms, okay, bonded with 8 hydrogen atoms. So 3 carbon atoms in a straight chain with branches of 8 hydrogen atom. If you count, there are 3 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atom. So these 3 carbon atoms having 4 valence electron bonds with 8 hydrogen atom in this way. The valence electron in the first carbon atom pairs with the valence electron, one of the valence electron of the middle carbon atom. Similarly, one of the valence electron of the middle carbon atom bonds with one of the valence electron in the right carbon atom, and the remaining rest valence electron of carbon bonds with the valence electron of hydrogen atom. To complete its octet, or noble gas configuration. So this is how we get the structure of propane as well as the formula for propane, that is C3H8. As you have understood how to draw the structure of methane, ethane and propane, here is a task for you. The first task is to find out the rest of the 3 saturated carbon compounds after propane. What are alkanes? And what is the general formula for alkanes? Oh yes, just like I have drawn the structure of methane, ethane and propane, don't forget to draw the rest of the 3 saturated carbon compounds in your notebook. Isomers. Isomers are compounds having identical formula but different structures and thus called structural isomers. Let us see. Okay, let us look at the 2 structures with formula C4H10. So the first structure is simple. The 4 carbon atoms are arranged in a straight chain and then bonded with the hydrogen atom in this manner, that is branched chain. However, in the second structure, you will find that the first carbon atom is bonded to the second carbon atom. The difference lies here. Now, the second carbon atom bonds with the third and fourth carbon atom too. And the rest, the hydrogen atom bonds with the carbon atom in this manner. Simple. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here you can find the same molecule having same formula, right? But different structure, and hence these are isomers. So, example of isomers here is seen in butane, C4H10. Remember, we have just drawn the 2 structures. Students, there are also compounds in which the carbon atoms are arranged in the form of a ring. Can you see in the picture? The carbon atoms are arranged in the form of a ring or a cyclic structure. Such example is cyclohexane, having the formula C6H12. Students, there is another carbon compound which forms a cyclic or a ring structure, and its name is benzene. So your task is to find out whether benzene is saturated or unsaturated. So we have learned about the saturated hydrocarbons like methane, ethane, propane. The next 3 you are going to find out. Then we also learned about isomers and also 1 carbon compound forming cyclic or ring structure, that is cyclohexane. Till then, study well, take care, bye.